Introducing aPriori.
So, what is our process to build a digital factory? Well, the first thing that we do is we take and we walk through the factory. So, what are the machines that we have on the shop floor? What is the process that the parts go through to get manufactured? And then it's useful to take a walk through the ERP system, because it could be that you have additional work centers that are getting time that you need to account for. So it could be that you've got somebody that takes the parts off the machine and puts them on a pallet, and then every 10 parts, they run a band around those. Well, as a manufacturing person, you really need to account for that time to put the band around those 10. And so you need to just be aware of that kind of stuff so that you can put it into the process. So we do this for each of the different process groups. We do it for sheet metal, for the bar and tube stuff, for all of the different process groups. And then we take that work, that spreadsheets, it's going to be video studies, it's going to be time studies, and we take that to our expert services team and the input spreadsheets, and we take and we start to configure the digital factory. Well, what it amounts to then is that you have a piece part that you have video of on the shop floor. So let's just take a laser and brake part. You take the sheet of steel, you laser out your part, and you're capturing how long it takes to laser that part out. You take it to the brake, you break it. Now you can take that same part in aPriori and you can run it through the same process, and you should be getting answers that are the same. And that's where the configuration comes in to make sure that you're getting the right cycle time as what happens on the shop floor. Because what we want with our digital factory is we want to actually capture the actual number of hours that happen on the shop floor. So once we do that, we run through some tests, we make sure that all the cases are working, we roll this out to production. Inevitably, on the production side, you're going to find a few things that you didn't actually run through, some corner cases, and so you just do this iteratively.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.